What's going on, guys? It's me again, but in the video. It's oh no, what's up, guys? Yeah, the last time before, yeah. These are probably two combos, okay? And with this and this, okay, it's a touch of a slime like a squeeze shell candy with Lay's killer jalapeno chips. And it is squeezy. It's a really the coolest combo I ever have. A picture of Rose's Feo. It's on my little part 2. It's on my little this combo. Okay? Alright. Last time in another one? Hey, but it's so super crazy. Please hit a like and subscribe. The post notifications so coming down. I done. Comment. Great tutorial. I am a gamer over here, and it's a really good. It's a supporter. It's a place of play games or all this. It's I am super excited. Yeah, I do play on my PlayStation 5. But yeah, black PlayStation 5, and there's a lot of parts of PlayStation 4. This is so cool of it. Alright guys, it's so tired right now. And thank you so much, is this thing, or did this, it's a really coolest combo that I ever had. After the big lots, it's only not much money left. It's I believe it's to you the greatest burger I ever made on Burger King. It's my favorite food, to tell you that. It's my lunch, you don't know. And dinner, I don't have. Alright guys. I am out.